Hey everyone, it's Danielle Taylor with Keller Williams Realty here on the beautiful Outer Banks. And as you all know, I always recommend working with a local lender. And there's lots of reasons why. But I thought it might be kind of fun to have you hear it directly from them. So I asked my top 3 lender partners to answer a couple of questions to help explain why. Let's hear from Kelly Tolson.
Hi, I'm Kelly Tolson with Arbor Home Loans, a local lender here on the Outer Banks.
Tate Feltz with Southern Trust Mortgage.
Hey, my name is Tate Feltz, and Danielle asked me to put a few videos together for her today.
And Jason Hansen.
Hey, this is Jason with Movement Mortgage.
And let's see how they each chimed in and what they had to say.
Questions unknown. Why you should choose local for your home loan.
First up, my question is, why is it important to work with a local lender?
Our contracts include addenda that are often unfamiliar to out-of-market lenders. Examples of these are the vacation rental addendum and the bill of sale. The vacation rental addendum basically outlines the amount of time your property is available for rent. This often causes confusion when it comes to financing a second home versus a true investment property. More importantly, it can affect your interest rate and the products available to you.
It is absolutely imperative that you use a local lender when purchasing a property on the Outer Banks. Many deals include vacation rental addendum, bill of sale, flood insurance, wind and hail insurance, and possibly short-term rentals to use as qualification. All of these can be deal killers in the hands of an out-of-town lender.
And as biased as this sounds coming from me, being a local lender here, it really does carry weight with your offer. These listing agents and buyer's agents can tell you many nightmare scenarios where they've worked with an out-of-town lender or an online lender here on the Outer Banks. I mean, let's face it, the Outer Banks is a very unique place. That's why folks want to come here. But it also is a unique place when it comes to lending. Bringing an out-of-town lender here can bring in out-of-town appraisers, for example, which can impact your value. And that listing agent, if they see an out-of-town appraiser did that and the value comes in low, they're not going to really give it that much weight.
Okay, so we've got that. So now let me ask them, what is the #1 top tip that they would give to an Outer Banks buyer related to lending?
The absolute best tip I have when working with the lender is to start the process early. You should meet with your local lender early in the process. That way, you know exactly what you can afford, you know what your monthly payment and out-of-pocket expenses will be, and when you identify the perfect property, you are ready to just update a pre-approval letter and place an offer without any hiccups or hangups.
So you don't want to be in a situation where the right property comes up, you want to make an offer, and then Danielle's going to say, well, hey, I need a pre-qual letter. The situation you want to put yourself in instead is get pre-qualified up front. And then that way, when the right property pops up, you can literally text me, say, hey, Tate, we just found the perfect place. We want to make an offer. Here's our offer price. And at that time, guys, it takes me 2 minutes. I can literally be on the beach with my family and send you a pre-qual letter from my cell phone within 2 minutes.
Also remember to get pre-qualified as quickly as you can in the process to avoid delays and let the seller know that you are definitely serious about the contract that you're buying.
So there you have it. We got it straight from the horses or multiple horses' mouths. So make sure you reach out and talk to one of these trusted partners early in your process. I promise it will make everything go smoother.
There's no better living than sand.